Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by a lush forest, lived a curious boy named Timmy. Timmy loved exploring the woods, discovering new plants, and listening to the birds sing. One sunny afternoon, while wandering deeper into the forest than ever before, Timmy stumbled upon a gigantic, ancient tree with a trunk so wide it would take 10 kids holding hands to circle it. As Timmy approached the tree, he noticed something extraordinary. The tree had a face. Its eyes were closed, and it seemed to be sleeping. Timmy, being the curious boy he was, gently touched the tree's bark. Suddenly, the tree's eyes opened, and it spoke in a deep, gentle voice. "Hello, young explorer. I am the talking tree, guardian of this forest." Timmy was amazed and a little scared. "You can talk?" he asked, his eyes wide with wonder. "Yes, I can," replied the tree. "I have been here for hundreds of years, watching over the forest and all its creatures. But I need your help, Timmy. The forest is losing its magic because people are forgetting to take care of it." Timmy felt a surge of determination. "What can I do to help?" he asked. The talking tree smiled. "You can start by spreading the word about the importance of nature. Teach your friends and family to plant trees, pick up litter, and respect all living things. If everyone does their part, the forest will thrive again." Timmy promised to do his best. He spent the next few weeks organizing cleanup days, planting saplings, and sharing stories about the magical forest with everyone in the village. Slowly but surely, the forest began to regain its magic. The trees looked greener, the flowers bloomed brighter, and the animals seemed happier. One day, Timmy returned to the talking tree. "Look, the forest is beautiful again," he exclaimed. The talking tree nodded, its eyes twinkling with gratitude. "Thank you, Timmy. You have shown that even one small person can make a big difference. Remember, the magic of the forest lives in the hearts of those who care for it." And so, Timmy continued to be a guardian of the forest, inspiring others to cherish and protect the natural world. The forest remained a magical place, full of wonder and beauty, thanks to the efforts of a brave and curious boy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.